So, Chapter 2. Hopefully you've spent a little time looking at Chapter 1, spend some time on Chapter 2, spend a little time on every chapter you have done, and eventually you'll remember them all. If I mention anything in these little videos that you don't remember, spend some time on that chapter. This is a little brush up. This is not trying to cover the chapter. This is just a little refresher of what's in each one. So number 2, Chapter 2, is adjectives, and adjectives used in ta sentences. Ta something, and then you describe it with the adjective. So, ta anmala lawn. The bag is full. So that's sentence structure, and just learning some vocabulary here. There's some new nouns. You find a T prefix before a masculine noun that starts with a vowel. Anturlar, antul. A T dash is a special thing unto itself. Antraj is the TS phenomenon, which will be covered more detailed later, but that is a feminine noun. The S before certain letters will get a TS. It's something different from lenition or eclipsis, those two things. And then you just have a bunch of adjectives to learn, a bunch of nouns to learn. Not too many, really. And a couple of here, they're ansha, anshin, they're opposites. Just like this, sha, and shin, that, are the same kind of opposites. And then you get the question word kad, which is the same as cared in Connemara. So kad ta lon, what is full? And again here, this could be kad ata, the relative form of ta. Kad ata on could be there. But it's actually much more comfortable, I think, because of these letters, whatever. It just sounds right, kad ta on. I wouldn't worry too much about that, but that does exist, and that's really what it is. It's the ata without the letter A. So it's mostly a studying vocabulary in this chapter and just that sentence structure. So if you know ta Nora ting, Nora is sick, ta an fat an sha, the man is here, those kind of sentences, using the adjective to describe a noun with ta. And kad ta aun, what is there? And then they're using some more K examples too, which we did in the previous chapter. So have fun reviewing that one, and we'll carry on next time.